We are a team of technology and IoT enthusiasts. But as we were going deeper and deeper into home automation systems, like this is my dream house, with each step we were facing an increasing amount of problems. This crushed totally the fun we had while using this technology. Starting with the huge number of applications to operate a single house, to complete lack of standardization in the sector. By the will to provide the better experience, we began exploring ways to improve how to use smart technology in the place we live, work, and spend most of our valuable time.
Based on my experience, none of the smart home system providers is compatible with competitor products. Also, multi-provider software are not user-friendly and require high programming skills. This allowed us to develop a prototype of the platform based on a few simple rules. Universal solution for each IoT device, integration for all data within one graphic interface, create one app to manage all smart home systems, easy navigation in 3D environment, and effortless data collecting for all devices and assets.
Providing a service that integrates these solutions was one of our biggest achievements. That shows us future challenges. 3D technology is the real game changer that allows to position any device by using XYZ coordinates. Ability to track and indicate position of people or items in 3D environment. Store information about our smart home ecosystem, simplified BIM documentation and other useful information. And finally, social media and e-commerce integration.
Low costs. Basic plan will be free of charge. Paid plan won't cost more than any other monthly subscription-based service like Netflix. Our solution gives users the feeling of being in charge. Interaction with a real-life 3D model of the house will be more personal and smart than nowadays solutions. Intuitive digital home experience for users with any IT knowledge. This will be the future.